Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erika Fadila Aziz. Me and my friend Hanif Mufasiroh will explain about clause. Definition clauses. Clauses are groups of words that contain a subject and a verb. Jadi, clause adalah sebuah kalimat yang harus mengandung subjek dan verb. Types of clauses. Independent clauses or main clause can stand on its own as a sentence. It has a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. An independent clause by itself is called a simple sentence. Two or more independent clauses can be joined by using coordinating conjunctions, such as and, but, for, nor, or, so, and yet, or by using semicolon. And then, dependent clauses or subordinate clause contain both a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone as a sentence. It's only part of sentence. Dependent clause are introduced by subordinating conjunction such as because, what, if, and etc. Example of independent clause simple sentence is Erika brushed her long ribbon hair. Contoh clause dalam sebuah kalimat yang terdiri dari dependent dan independent. Contoh clause dalam sebuah kalimat yang terdiri dari independent dan dependent. The patrol had supported the spinner who was hiding in a attic. The patrol had spotted the spinner adalah independent clause. Sedangkan who was hiding in an attic adalah independent clause. Selanjutnya, weavers are people who feel they don't dance enough. Weavers are people adalah independent clause. Sedangkan who feel they don't dance enough itu adalah dependent clause. The dependent clause is linked to the independent one with the relative pronoun who. Jadi dua kalimat di atas dihubungkan dengan relative pronoun who.
And then we will talk about types of dependent clause. There are noun clause, adverbial clause, and the last is adjective clause. The first is noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent or subordinate clause that works as a noun. It can be the subject of a sentence, an object, or a complement. Like all nouns, the purpose of a noun clause is to name a person, place, thing, or idea. Jadi maksudnya itu noun clause itu clause yang mengandung kata benda. Itu bisa berfungsi sebagai subjek, objek, atau komplement dalam sebuah sentence. Example, why he came here is not clear. Ini noun clause-nya yang why he came here. And then they told the politician what he loved to her. Ini noun clause-nya yang what he loved to hear sebagai objek. And the second is adverbial clauses. An adverb clause is a group of words that is used to change or qualify the meaning of an adjective, a verb, a clause, another adverb, or any other type of word or phrase with the exception of determiners and adjectives that directly modify nouns. Example, now that everyone has left the party, we need to start cleaning. Ini adverbialnya yang digaris bawahi yang now sampai party. Ini sebagai dependent dan independentnya yang we need to start cleaning. Terus contoh yang kedua, he remembered after he left the house that he needed to mail the thank you card. Ini adverbial clause-nya yang after he left the house. And the last is adjective clause. An adjective clause is a type of dependent clause that acts as an adjective in the sentence. An adjective clause will always contain a subject and a verb. Maksudnya adjective clause itu klausa yang mengandung kata sifat yang biasanya itu mengandung sebuah subjek dan sebuah verb. Contohnya, why Fred cannot stand sitting across from his sister. Yang adjective clause yang why Fred cannot stand sitting. And the second example, people who are smart follow the rules. Adjective clause-nya yang who are smart. Okay, I think enough from us. Thank you for your watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.